Okay folks, welcome to Voici again. We were talking about pancakes earlier on, so if sweet pancakes aren't something that you want on Pancake Tuesday or indeed Valentine's Day, today I'm going to show you something very simple, which is called a French galette, which is what we specialize here in Voici and Redmond. This one is going to be a baked oyster with some brie cheese, some mixed leaves, a bit of salt, a bit of lemon, and some mascarpone cheese. And then we're just going to dress it with a fresh oyster. Again, I just went out this morning and bought these ingredients locally. There's nothing special about it. It's Pancake Tuesday today, Valentine's Day tomorrow, and of course, oysters are a bit of a libido for men and women. So without further ado, let's get cracking on this. Yeah. So what you can see I'm doing here, guys, the difference, the only ingredients I add to the buckwheat, we get in from a mill, a 250-year-old mill in northern Brittany. The only thing we add to this is a bit of honey, a bit of salt, a bit of water, but apart from that, it's actually totally 100% gluten-free, which is good news for all celiacs out there or anyone with a gluten intolerance. So I've left that there for a couple of seconds. I'm going to turn it, and then we're going to start adding the ingredients. That's a nice, beautiful tanned color. That's the honey that's coming out in that, so salt water honey. We just leave that there for a second to brown slightly on the other side. And we flip it over again and we start adding the ingredients. Put a little bit of butter around the edge of that add some saltiness to it. Here we have what we prepared earlier, which is the baked oyster, some shallots, some chives, a little bit of salt, and we pureed this. Put some brie cheese on here. Around the edge, beautiful, let that melt. Keeping in the French tradition, some nice French brie. It's all melting generously there. This is the fold that we use here in Voici, traditional French fold. You can fold your crepes or your galettes in many ways. Beautiful, look at that, guys, nice tan color. We're going to dress that now with a little bit of fresh leaves. Nice presentation. It's all very simple stuff you can get as in your local supermarket. Now we've got our baked oyster on top, Irish Atlantic sea salt. Can we top it off with a lovely bit of squeezed lemon? How about that? So there we have it, guys. This is our Valentine's Day special. Beautiful. There we go, guys. We have our baked oyster with chive, shallot, a bit of salt, just pureed together. Buy it locally. A few leaves, a bit of salt. One oyster, bake that off, crack it open, bake it off, and there you go. Happy St. Valentine's Day.